krei wo fa se MP Kwam Frimpong ni ho akodi adwam na anu yete ye krase ye se US fo no afa na free Holland Netherlands wo e de ne ko US kodi na sem mpacho what fa se nka
o kwa mi pacho mentinika obia mama bia nti minim de ekoso.
Right, abusuya sansu ahia biem ye hia say dia na ensem no de eko ene de aba ni nyina na ye di eho enkomo na nsebe na asi abusuya Wontumi again. Yes, Chairman Wontumi ne ho asanso aba asem biem ni case biem asanso adrop na ende Lawyer Andy Appiah-Kubi ono ena na oye ne lawyer ana chese Chairman Wontumi ekwa na odi nachi na ye ho de ba ye aye je eye case no e free eye lawyer ne nsam no ende wa ba chechire mu aka nsam na chese secretary ewo ho a enunti e ma ni jai Chairman Wontumi ni case no ende lawyer aba be bie ni nyina a chese abusuya abe kamensa e wo ha se ha eye Ghana Politics TV meso se ende o first time one na wa subscribe e de amame wa share your videos nso ato other platforms so e de amam enti abusuya ye ba enkomo a abe kamensa ni nyina efa eye Chairman Wontumi ni lawyers a chese abusuya omudi nachi ende Andy Appiah-Kubi aba be di nkomo a kire die nti a e manager Chairman Wontumi ni case no na sanka eka Chairman Wontumi ono nko ade a anka ono lawyer Andy Appiah-Kubi ene da so edi na asem e ma no na onim se Chairman Wontumi esan so e wo case biem e wo tema a chese abusuya ye san so ba be di na asem eno so lawyer abiebie nsem ani e de kire yenko na yenkotie short video we emra
case enu so sise no ane aye kosuru no bibia meka hu sabre no so na kwanya wo ho se bibiu ehia akemu e beka hu bibia meka hu ye kwanim sa enti sa na wo se so
ayi sabi wo fi ho ye de because de na wo ye no enu na wo mo so eyo
the ni na so esevi se base enu no mo yi ya ani so de kwaso ano na mo aka cases no mienu a esese omo bada mi pese omo ncholete emra se mi ba beji na me so asan letter no mama no copy na me so keep copy that share simiti anything na mienu no aka mi si hu kwai ba ko ye memory forest ba ko ye tema case bi tema case back wo
eno tema case eno so ye de eno no
eno ye obi na crash bia okoji facility na Chairman Wontumi de the property eko ye collateral no na catch the word trace guarantee omo pesa omo attach it Chairman Wontumi the property no eti eno na ekohu ama naka omo epe ade judgment in default of appearance ni na sa case no about Chairman Wontumi and some very late into the me file appearance no no omo I am motion I needed to set the motion aside now me pray court to say we'll contest the issues. And I'm on record as having entered appearance. And to the next person will have to change the representation. Now,
Councillor, man say nothing. Instructions of Wontumi and now wine. Se cases in no. But I could be quite minim senos so ebia not that when you more. Yes, see, a free in Zaura to a Contomra road be na 1 3 sika bi a man from Cocobo road be na no so Chairman and me and we kwan no na no so wasem esa da ho a me gina so kra free in account and no so na wo wanim
anu de nyama menim de no de obian for charges bia in respect of Cocoa road bia my for now maybe kikaki can say BDS piece no na meti na bibisa Chairman no chese ya manadwuma oye origin certificate ye tiadika enti asembia ni ho so far minimum enti ho de bibiasa ni ho abamedim baby
cha ayi council boyen kakra yi se obi ye plea bargain na ebi a metua ne se tua na nhye no edu ba bi na ebi a me ho ensoso na mabuso saa no ede na mraka kire me
se nhye de be kwakoto court no se akanunu miru no agiatumu eno na court no be de be ye judgment na ya hwese obedi so se koba se pembi na se ahuchire bi bana bibi ni ntimi kose netia parties no na betimi trigger bia subsequent discussions na bia renegotiate positions bia ha bini na no sa no betimi afale no as supplementary to the original agreement and yebompa is say pre-agreement no di bedi so ya ni so a ya timi bibi ho a say ya kan nyina force majeure so ho agreement bia no force majeure timi set conditions na side e bia na okay bibi asia any possible so betimi on the terms of the agreement no emragitum sa ena sekobani se he said, Sakakra, we cannot be perfect all the time. It will be a BBC. Now, as I said, renegotiation be a cost. Now, renegotiation, the cost, it be new terms of settlement. And that year, but it's a BBA. There is a relationship. The relationship between as I say accommodate because of say name musakra
wafa wukrei wafa se MP kwam frempon ni ho akodi adwa mu na anu yete ye class ye se US fo no afa na free Holland Netherlands wo e de ne ko US kodi na sem mpacho what wafa sinka
kwa mimi pacho mentinika bia mama mani bia nti minim de koso
leta na wo request sen ko mo de ba da chia semtinu nanka wo mo san na wasan hu se ampa ebre ni eda sei wote won se free ensam ni nyina ho no se won mo amfa ma eno no wo betimi a draft bibia koma wo mo ana de be ne betimi akoso
enyemi na sese metro se egbonu ensam ebraro ono na obi adini kobo bi na so ena ono na sese odi mi kasa na ntiye no adaba no eba ne se ya ono a odi kobo no ena betro bi mi se ebi adase nipa smesi ni medi kobo se me representing no na se me representing this matter enti me de kata bro se uni me ya gino dia na ubide asam bebo chire dia mami matroso me masa se pa no ya bi enti eni ma weni na dia mawo na usuzo asan na me dawo no chire bi ba no si chai sheet kwa wa pa mami na makase o san de se me dia mawo nti chashi di diamo ibisa na enti wonu nesese ayi ba kon letter bi a mehunu ne se eye wura Attakyea ne lawyer for kan ho wo ma file appeal on behalf of Chairman Wontumi na grounds of appeal no ba kon se wo mo raise over 20 grounds of appeal with principal grounds including say 1 conviction no unreasonable and unsupported by evidence on record. Mienu say trial judge key provisions of the law relating to mineral rights
and the mining operations no nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a ɛsɛ ntiase a mmɛmu yie deɛ ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa ɛsɛ nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a na ɛyɛ Supreme Court na ɛsɛ take a decision ɛnso so no the court usurped the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court in determining constitutionality of certain statutory provisions. Can be a baako nso yɛ sɛ reliance placed on testimony of PW2 no no so no ɔse a self-confessed illegal miner wɔn asɛm nam kotu adeɛ no na afei wagyina wɔn n'asɛm a wɔka so na wode ebu na tɛn baako bi mu wɔse bibie ni hɔ a ɛkyerɛ sɛ na wontumi ɛwɔ adwene sɛ wɔde kɔyɛ illegal mining. That is requisite mens rea for the offences. Ebi ka ho biem wɔse lifting of the corporate veil to convict the third appellant is legally unsustainable. Ɛno nso ɛwɔ hɔ ɛne deɛ kɛka ho ɛte sɛ kakra yɛ makenkan kyerɛ wei.
O sɛnea woka sɛ we ka ho no deɛ menim sɛ ɔmo ɛbɛyɛ exhaustive of the grounds of appeal no. Na maybe said the other bia make am say maybe a na charge sheet you can me challenge charge sheet no say yeah right but now bi ma bi say anka SSB motion to address that nisu na ma bi nyame sa say me addressing na me leave to the court to determine say charge sheet no a fault here and come by amend. I didn't want that amendment to continue the case. I wanted rather to address it and nullify such charge, because coming but basically Chairman Wontumi as a person, Chairman Wontumi as a person, human person, Chairman Wontumi. In actual say on the records, Chairman Wontumi mining and minerals interest BIO some number assassin. Only any mining rights was some number assassin. Chairman Wontumi. And he said, right here, only because of the man concession here as Chairman Wontumi. Anyway, mining rights. Na sir, idea we need yes, so dear mobile. It stands to reason say any possible. Idea no we need no. The castle dear mobile any possible. And we are addressing know that you can't give what you don't have. Nagana ha. Enti question ba ko kese e betime bisa ni say enti ya ma Chairman Wontumi mineral rights bi ana ana say Chairman Wontumi of my Ghana and some boy asasi bi ashen insana. The answer is no. And let us not forget say
only
they are not the one and the same. Senior Okumokano. Na say court OBC only the only such a Wontumi on one akunta mines no. Na court gisa evidence to mo and to be the me say Chairman Wontumi ought not to have been charged as a person because he didn't have
say a company limited by guarantee or whatever nipa na yene dia nti say yakaza akonta mining ye Chairman Wontumi dia na yesi akonta mining akoye bibia wono na ese be honu because company ni dia Wontumi mfa ne ntum minim say what is argument you be pen comedian free Chairman Wontumi so dey call company so se bawa eno so hu temu we beka but say you can hurt Chairman Wontumi as a first accused person. Chairman Wontumi owo kasano na owo mineral rights be as a person. Say answer you know there why did you charge him for giving what he didn't have? And it is in the address. Omo kasa me brenu omo nya kwanya inkan
proceedings no ne address no nti bi wɔ hɔ no aka biara pɛdi obi nso wɔ hɔ ɔno journalist wɔsi wɔyɛ lawyer ɔbɛgyina mbɔnten no aka sɛ he was not represented properly ɔso so ɔnka yɛ nneɛma no ɛna judge no ɔno judge no period
ɔno hwana wɔno ɔbɛka saa asɛm no sɛ onim hɔ ɛyɛ hwan a onim wɔ ɔho
onim ni ɛna ɔno asoso koraa no mene ne yɛ case 2020 ɔno akasa na affidavit in support of emotion ɛna mefa ɛde destroy the case sometimes the law is there common sense is also there ɛni nti saa pay no
ɛyɛ lawyer bɛɛ nie
see 2020 no yɛto aba no wokaa sɛ ɛde me kɔ court sɛ manto aba ɛnwu ballot box mu ne sɛ he was the lawyer in the case ɛna of course yɛ sɛ or cite me for contempt ne what they say where injunction application ne ade basa enti ɛhɔ no ne affidavit in support of the application ɔno ankasa ne amendments bi a wɔ mu na meyi yɛrɛ sɛ based on that no he came to the court in bad faith and he destroyed the case no ɔnyɛ comfortable da bɛsi dɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔno kyerɛ sɛ
agyesa woyɛ nahi
ne woyɛ nahi nti ɔnya ɔwɔ platform no sisa deɛ bɛwei nti ɔkyerɛ so no aka deɛ ɛnyɛ dɛ deɛ ɛyɛ de dɛ awɔmfa de cases a wayɛ bi ba mmerehwɛ na ɔmɛhwɛ me so de cases a just 3 weeks ago bisa kwame ayi very difficult case bi mmerehwɛ judgment ɛbaeɛ you see what no deɛ ɔkeka no ɔnyɛ exactly a very good professional sɛ yɛdi nkɔmmɔ yɛ yɛdi nyinaa yɛdi nkɔmmɔ no sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛnya nteaseɛ wɔ asɛm mu ɛnyɛ sɛdeɛ yɛbɛindite obi ɛne n'adwumayɛ ɛnti kwame medeɛ meka sɛ kakra mede toa so ne sɛ menim sɛ Chairman Wontumi, he was never ever granted a concession as a person for him to be charged for having given that concession to somebody else because he didn't have it. Basic. Now,
and you can't put something on nothing.
Some say company no.
I counsel the old say you can't put something on nothing.
On nothing. When the man may say, Kwame, we shut it. What the ama kwesi mensa. Enti church na di ma kwesi mensa no. Na ya odi adi ama no, onye hu kwai so odi ma kwesi mensa. Na wo so evidence which say church no kwa uni bi. Na sa church uni bi a e de ne de sa subo na bo. Sa wo do church ma kwesi mensa. Miankasa minim se church no uni bi. So, and then she's a charge I'm there too soon. It cannot be supported by the facts. Because you need be and then coupon and charge so. A basic principle of law say you cannot give what you don't have. And then a lawyer for the case, remember that could not have it. And she said, Adiani, we need be a better than your boss who was with the check. No. Na corporate interest now can. Sir, lifting of the bail, no. The Moko case, no. It was in civil law. And yes, say, we use to company the fraud. We will let the bail and fine you. Now, say, horses, yes, company, no. And the war Japadiano. And the ebony charges say company no the Japadiana and Bupi. A company no so or the Japadian Mubia and a company so a persona a young fan say we nipa or quite possible bra. Company and to me could have a team through somebody Paramount Cousin and my into. The company operates through the directors. directors so your decision through resolutions. And he said because I am Jawi. Kwame company ever say Kwame enterprise. Let me feel Namaba be what down funti. Let me jabonti me say Kwame enterprise no. Ochina yes me mejibo say through now so na dia mami. Yes sir. Say Kwame enterprise no. Decision omo yellow. Say available for you to investigate or interrogate. Corporate decision, it comes through resolutions. It doesn't come through personal statements. And when you interrogate when you know, now who say about the corporate was there any corporate decision taken in your direction? If the answer is no, how would you say be a cry? Na or no company now the company need to can any number be cancelled. I don't know. It's when you know what more issues are. It's just interrogating. And the minimum says, and you can say, grounds of appeal the doors to you say, areas are concerned. I will be carrying through some ways the constitutional interpretative issue be, and also so Matisa Okra. Having seen the appeal processes, but saying you're okay there, I'm convinced to say you're quite exhaustive.
What for medals, Yanope?